In a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived two best friends, Mia and Sam. Every year, the village hosted a colorful kite festival that painted the sky with vibrant hues. Mia and Sam couldn't wait for this magical day. One sunny morning, the village square bustled with laughter and excitement. Colorful kites of all shapes and sizes filled the air, dancing with the wind. Mia and Sam's eyes sparkled as they held their handmade kite, a masterpiece of creativity. With a running start, they launched their kite into the sky. The wind caught it, and it soared high above, joining the symphony of kites. Mia and Sam giggled with joy, guiding their kite through the twists and turns of the wind. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the villagers gathered around a bonfire. The elders shared stories of ancient traditions, weaving a sense of wonder into the night. Mia and Sam sat cross-legged, eyes wide, absorbing every word. Suddenly, a shooting star streaked across the sky. The village echoed with gasps and cheers. The village storyteller, Old Man Leo, grinned. "That's a sign, my dear friends," he said, his voice a gentle whisper of mystery. "A sign that whoever catches that star's light shall be granted a wish." Mia and Sam exchanged excited glances. With their hearts full of hope, they closed their eyes and made their wishes silently. The next morning, Mia and Sam awoke to a surprise. Their kite, which they had left tethered to a tree, shimmered with a soft, otherworldly glow. They